Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find remote jobs on Indeed.com. Really easy and simple. First things first, go ahead and click on home, okay, once you're actually logged in. And this is what you're going to do, guys. For location, you want to come here and type remote, okay? Type remote right here. And then for job title, keywords, what you can do is you can either do work from home, remote work from home, part-time. All right, let's just do something that is part-time and remote as the location. Go ahead and click on search. All right. Now we'll see a bunch of jobs. They're actually all part-time jobs and they are remote in terms of location. As you can see right here, this is a remote job. This is also a remote job. All these jobs are remote, so you can do these from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you're located. You can even see some of the salaries. For example, this one right here pays $32,000 to $45,000 a year. You can see the skills they need and how it applies to you and if it meets your profile right here. So if you want to apply to it, just go ahead and click on apply now, and you can go ahead and send it in your resume. And that is how simple it is, guys.